Hello from China, my name is Mark, I'm Chinese, and welcome to my channel, Experiencing Real Chinese. With China's development, China has won the title Kingdom of Transportation. However, we were called Kingdom of Bicycles a few decades ago. You can imagine that we didn't have too many choices at that time. Bicycles were the most important tool. So can China still be called Kingdom Bicycles today? Do Chinese ever change their preference for bikes? Yeah, China still called the Kingdom Bicycles, and the people haven't changed their bike preference. We still love bikes, but we don't buy them anymore. Why? Because we now have public bicycles. I'm standing in front of Suzhou railway station. As you can see, it's right behind me. You get out of the station, you gotta make a choice how to go. If you think buses is crowded, taxis is expensive, and the place you're going to go isn't far, then think about public bicycles. They have no emissions, they're comfortable, they're convenient, they are fast, and most of the time free of charge. It's a bike station. As you can see, it's about 100 meters away from the entrance of the Suzhou railway station. So I'm gonna show you how to rent a bike. So first, you pick a bike you like. I'm gonna take this one. Log in Alipay and find the scan and the QR code. Here, you scan it. And confirm. So it's unlocking. So when you hear car, the sound car, it means the lock, it's unlocked. So you take it out, adjust the height if it's too high or too low. So the height of the seat is adjustable. All right, I think it's just right for me. Then it's done, and feel free to ride it.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Riding a bike is comfortable, especially in summer. The first hour is completely free.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Public bikes are designed to solve the problem of short trips, normally 1 to 5 kilometers. So most people don't need to pay for the ride. What if a longer ride, like say 1.5 hours? How much does it charge? Don't worry, if you use the bike for more than an hour, you pay 1 RMB. That's about 15 cents for an hour. How cheap it is!
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
Bikes are so convenient. Do they only exist in Suzhou? Of course not. You can find them in more than 200 cities in China, so there's no need to worry about other cities. But I have to remind you that public bikes are great. There's still one concern that everyone has: returning the bike. Public bikes must be returned in designated places, and you need to take a look and find where you can return it. The designated places or bike stations are usually near residential areas, office buildings, bus stops, subway stations, railway stations, schools, shopping malls, and hospitals.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
So, returning bikes is easy. There's a part on the bike which looks like a hand. So you put this hand right into the hole. Adjust the body position, then it's done. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you haven't been to China, if you want to know about China, follow my camera. I am Mark from China, your China tour guide. Let's experience China together.